In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails in AOL Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your inbox, open a message, forward it to someone else, and add a quick note so the recipient has context. Start by opening your web browser and searching for AOL Mail. This is the quickest way to land on the sign-in page if you don't have it bookmarked. When the results load, select the top result that leads to the official AOL Mail site. Make sure you're on a secure page before you enter any details. You should see a lock icon in your browser's address bar and the correct AOL domain. Once you're on the AOL Mail homepage, look to the upper right corner for the Login or Join option and click it. Sign into your account as you normally would. If you use extra verification, complete that step as well. After you're signed in, you'll land in your inbox. If you're already signed in from a previous session, you may be taken directly to your messages. Next, find and open the email you want to forward. Click the subject line to view the full message. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the correct email and check for any attachments or images. Forwarding typically includes the original content and attachments by default, and you can remove attachments if you don't want to pass them along. Now locate the forward button. In AOL Mail, it looks like a right-pointing arrow and can appear at the top menu bar or at the bottom of the message. Click forward, and a new message window will open with the original email quoted below. You'll also see the subject line automatically updated, usually with FWD at the beginning. Feel free to edit that subject to make it clearer for the person receiving it. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. Double-check the spelling so your message reaches the right inbox. If you're sending to multiple people, separate the addresses with commas. Be mindful of what you're forwarding and who's receiving it, especially if the original message includes sensitive details. Above the quoted content, add a short note to explain why you're forwarding the email. A sentence or two of context can save the recipient time and prevent confusion. Keep your note concise and professional. When everything looks good, click Send. You should see a brief confirmation, and the forwarded email will appear in your sent folder. If the message doesn't send, verify the email address and your connection, then try again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully forwarded an email in AOL Mail. Thanks for watching.